Let's go to the file template for our Facebook ads. I will open it in my library. So here it is, smart banners for Facebook ads. And this file is similar to the file that we used to look for Google banners. This is some cover, these are some things how to use banner, how to use exactly this size for banners. Something is the same as for Google, something is different. So let's go at our page with the banners. So what do we have here? We have a control panel that uses a headline, some description, some personal item, arrows for the stories. These are logos and Instagram username for stories preview. And we have text bubbles. Then we set our backgrounds. This looks similar to the settings that we had for responsive display ads for Google. We set a background image here, then we set blur if we need it, then we adjust this image to different sizes of our banners, and then we use these images for backgrounds for our banners. We have a story preview over here, and we have some things to avoid 20% of text limitations. There are some rectangles, there are grids, and I put this chess grid, semi-transparent chess grid, to show the areas where banners could be not visible or could be overlaid or something, because this is only one preview for Instagram stories, but Facebook and the Instagram interface change rather often, and it's better to understand that these sides, these parts of the banners are not safe to put important information there. And we can download banners from here. And we have another page where we have ABC testing, and we have different images, different texts. In the previous one we were getting 4 different banners. So here we have 4 by 3 by 3, it's 36 different banners, and we can use all of them if we want, or we can just choose which sizes we want to get for our advertising and use it. Okay, so probably this is all with the file. You can use it, you can change anything here, you can use its components to create your own templates for your own advertising. So go and try it. I'm sure you will have a great advertising.